There are very wide application of the nitrogen in the chemical industry. Like it is used in the purging, it is also used in a chemical blanketing, it is also used in a food industry, it is also used in a pneumatic test as a test fluid, rather than like sometimes we avoid air and we use a nitrogen. Okay, but why? So hello engineers, in this video we are going to discuss about why nitrogen is act as an inert gas and where is it used in our industry. So before starting the video, if you haven't joined our YouTube channel, you can simply join Learn CHE YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you could get the latest notification. So now let's start the video with why nitrogen is act as an inert gas. Here you can see that the nitrogen is act as an inert gas. Why? Because if you will see its atomic number, that is a 7. Okay, and when we make the electronic configuration of the nitrogen element, so it is 3 into 2, means it is a outer cell. Okay, see here, this is the nucleus, this is the first cell and this is the second cell. So in the first cell there will be 2 electrons and in the second cell there will be 5 electrons and the 5. So same here, the 5 are here, 3 and 2. This is the only one nitrogen. Okay, if I make the electronic configuration of the nitrogen molecule, so it will become like that, 3 and 2. So when they will share the electrons to each other, so it will become like that and it will become the bond between the nitrogen elements and it will make the molecule N2. Okay, now you can see here there is a triple bonding. Okay, 1 2 3, because 3 electrons are sharing to each other, right? So due to triple bond, large charge density between nitrogen atoms attracts both nuclei to each other, means nuclei of the both nitrogen elements. Okay, and it attracts nuclei close to each other, and due to which the attraction bonds become more stronger. Okay, means you will have to provide more energy to break down. So due to stronger bonds, no reagent can capture the electrons of the nitrogen molecules, and if like you want to capture, so you will have to provide the more energy. Okay, so that is why nitrogen is act as a inert gas. That is very important. If you will think again, so you will understand that why, because of the triple bond, and because of the triple bond the bond is stronger enough. Okay, and if it is stronger enough, so we will have to provide the more energy to break down it, and that is why it is only act as an inert gas. Okay, and it act as an inert gas, and that's why its application is wide in our industry. Okay, and there is a one note as well which I have written, that is actually nitrogen is not truly inert. Okay, as a noble gas are inert, but nitrogen is not truly inert, it only act as a inert. Okay, if like suppose if there are certain condition met, so it may definitely react. Okay, we will see it's also. Okay, it may definitely react if certain conditions like meet, so nitrogen can also react. That's why they form the molecules as well. Okay, and they can also make the compound. Got it my point? Now where is its uses in the industry, where we use the nitrogen mainly? So if I talk about the personally which I have seen, so chemical blanketing you will see in our industry. So what we do to prevent the fires and explosion in the plant, we use the nitrogen. Why we use the nitrogen? Okay, to understand that you will have to see the fire triangle. Okay, for the fire triangle you must have 3 sources. The first one is oxygen. Like if you want to produce the fire, so there must be 3 items. Okay, the first one is oxygen, the second one is heat, and the third one is fuel. Got it my point? So here when we use the nitrogen as a chemical blanketing, so what it do, it cut the oxygen level. Okay, when you will cut the oxygen level, so what will happen that here is one thing as well, like if you want to produce the fire, so oxygen, heat and fuel proportion will be equal. Okay, if you cut anyone, so fire will not produce. Okay, and sometimes like in a piping, like in vessels, you can see like due to pressure and temperature increase, there may be an explosion, right? And there are some mixtures which can form and it can create explosion. So we use the nitrogen there as a chemical blanketing to prevent the fires and explosion in the plant. Got it my point? First thing. Second thing, it is also used as a test fluid for the pneumatic testing. Almost we use the air for the pneumatic testing, but sometimes we can also use the nitrogen for the pneumatic testing. Okay, as a raw material, it is also used like in a fertilizer plant if you want to make the urea. Okay, so for the manufacturing of ammonia, the raw material is hydrogen plus nitrogen. Got it my point? So in a fertilizer plant, in explosive, it is used. Okay, nitrogen is widely used. It is also used in a food packaging. Okay, why it is used in a food packaging? First of all, it displays the oxygen and slow down the spoilage and extend the product cell life. Okay, like here you can see that what we will do, we will replace the oxygen and we will put the nitrogen here, so its shelf life will increase because it will slow down the spoilage. Got it my point? It is also used in electronics. Okay, when you do the soldering now, when you do the soldering, so the gas is used to reduce the surface tension, so there is a cleaner break away from the side of the electrical bond. Got it my point? Means it reduces the surface tension there. Okay, and it is also like if other applications we discuss, so it is also used in a computer's main processing system to prevent it from the overheating, right? So there is a wide application in electronics field as well. Okay, it is also used in a laboratory. Okay, so these are the some applications of the nitrogen. Okay, can you let me in the comment box why I have written here the laboratory? Means I am not saying that the liquid nitrogen in the laboratory to do the reaction and do the anything else. No, why we are using nitrogen here? Let me in the comments box if you know. Okay, so this was the all about the nitrogen and its use in our industry. If you like this video, subscribe the Learn CHC YouTube channel and share this video to your friends. So thank you for watching. See you soon.